Alright guys, good day. Welcome back to another video with Off-Grid with Jay and Jen. We appreciate you being here. Today I am alone at the cabin. Jay went into town to work with Blueberry Bob, so I am here by myself. Today's project is going to be building a barn door for the bathroom. I'm building it out of pine, tung, and groove. So let's get to work. Should be pretty simple. I feel like I can handle this, so let's get to work and get this done. Minwax Early American, just to give it a little bit of differentiation. I am inspired by my friend Jenna's barn door that her and her husband built at their off-grid cabin. So thank you, Jenna, for the inspiration. So let's get started on it. All right, I got those boards stained, so those are gonna dry. So next up is to measure the tongue and groove, cut it at 76 inches, and then I have to cut some of them in half. So I have to go down and get the jigsaw down in the shed. Wish me luck on that one. It's gonna be an interesting project, guys, because I gotta use some tools that I'm not quite comfortable with. But I'm confident I can do it, so let's keep it going. All right, guys, look at that. So now that I have this all pushed together, I need to measure it across at 23 inches, as that is the width of the door. And then I gotta go down and get the jigsaw so that way I can cut the two end boards so that way it's nice and symmetrical. Pretty excited. It's looking good so far, guys. Alright guys, so I've got the door sized and cut. Now I just have to wait for the trim boards to dry, and then I'm gonna brad nail it all together. So I'm gonna go eat some lunch and go do something fun with the pups for a little bit. And then once those dry, we'll get going on the next part. Alright? Time to go for a ride, my boys. So let's get this trim cut to size so that way we can get it on the door. Look at that, guys. Jason's gonna be so proud. Yay! Dust it off. Maybe I'll poly it too. That way it'll be good to hang inside. I am so happy with the way this turned out, and I did it all on my own. So yay! Jason will be happy to see that done. One less project we have to do together. That way we can focus on other things. So I'm going to poly this real quick. Jason's back from helping out Blueberry Bob. So I'm gonna show him what I did for the day.
What kind of trouble you getting into over here?
I don't get in any trouble. Look what I made today.
Wow, pretty fancy. Dry?
Yeah.
Look at that. Where'd you buy this at while I was gone?
Ha 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 ha. I made it.
Good job. Pretty cool. I thought we were just gonna go buy a door.
It's cheaper to make a door.
Good work.
And it's fancy.
It is fancy. It's
Now you get to hang it.
my little builderer. Good job, honey. Give Jenny a thumbs up, guys, and a woot woot for an awesome job at that barn door.
Simple and easy.
Look at that.
Whoa. Look at my pretty door.
Good job.
There we go. He wanted to buy one. I told him we were making one. I'm always right in the long run. Just takes him a little bit longer to realize.
I did disagree. I told her we should just go buy a door somewhere.
Look at how pretty it looks.
She did a fantastic job.
Well, thanks guys for watching me make a barn door out of pine tightening groove. Probably costs about $50, which isn't too bad. So thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you had a good time. My solo video pretty much. He's in here just for a few seconds. I'm sorry. As always, like, subscribe, and comment. We appreciate all of it.
Bye, guys.